everyone, I'm Sue, the registered dietitian with Pluta Integrative Oncology and Wellness Center, here today bringing you a great nutritious recipe for sweet potato chili, perfect for a cozy night in. So in addition to your standard chili ingredients, this recipe has sweet potatoes in it, which I've diced up already and peeled, and they're just bursting with vitamin A, beta carotene, dietary fiber. And we're going to add some spices to add richness to the chili that are a little bit unique to this recipe. We're going to add a touch of ground cinnamon and then a small amount of cocoa, which is not like your hot cocoa mix. This is unsweetened cocoa. Let's get cooking. I have my sauté pan here heated up with a little bit of olive oil in it. We're going to add diced onions. And the recipe and proportions will be at the bottom of this video. Some diced green pepper and our diced sweet potatoes. We're going to saute them together for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're just starting to get tender and starting to brown a little bit. Now that we have these ingredients sauteed, we're going to add the rest. We're going to add our garlic. We have minced garlic. And our spices, which are chili powder, cumin, and that little bit of cinnamon and cocoa that I had mentioned earlier. Stir until the vegetables are all well coated with the spices. Add your tomatoes. And your beans. We're going to add black beans and kidney beans, just for a little bit more variety, or you could use all of one type of bean. We're going to stir everything together, add a little bit of vegetable broth, and you can always customize this. You can add like red pepper if you like it a little spicier, and then you can add more or less broth depending on how thick you like it. Time to let it cover and simmer for about 20 minutes until the sweet potatoes are tender. Now we're ready to serve the chili. It's simmered for about 20 minutes and the sweet potatoes are tender. And here we are, a beautiful, nutritious dinner. Lycopene is in the tomatoes, beta-carotene's in the sweet potatoes, and plant-based protein and dietary fiber from the beans. I garnished it with some sliced avocado and a little bit of cilantro, but you could add cheese, black olives, onions, whatever you'd like to do. A great dinner in less than 30 minutes. Enjoy your cozy night in.